Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with rapid, decisive checks so you can fix the camera now. First, confirm the camera has power and no shutter is blocking the lens, then reconnect the cable or try another USB port. Once done, open Google Meet and go to Settings then Video to explicitly select your camera. Make sure you have allowed camera access in both your browser and your operating system privacy settings, and close any apps that might already be using the camera. This prevents conflicts. Next, tackle software causes that often block video. Restart the browser, and if needed, restart your computer. Use an incognito window to rule out extensions. Then update camera drivers and your browser, check Device Manager or your system report for yellow flags. Once updated, test the camera in the native camera app or another meeting app to see if the problem is specific to Google Meet. If it works elsewhere, make sure Meet is allowed in browser site settings and try disabling conflicting extensions. To finish, reinstall or roll back the camera driver and unplug, then replug any external webcams. Try a different USB port or hub. If problems persist, reset your browser settings or test Google Meet in an alternate browser to confirm browser-specific issues. Use an external webcam if the internal one continues failing. One key troubleshooting tip: check for a physical privacy shutter or a hardware camera toggle in BIOS and ensure it is enabled. This single oversight often makes the camera invisible to the system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.